Between Werl and Soest there lived a man whose name was Knoist, and he had 3 sons. One was blind, the other lame, and the third stark naked. Once they were walking across a field where they saw a hare. The blind one shot it, the lame one caught it, and the naked one put it in his pocket. Then they came to a tremendously large body of water on which there were 3 ships. One leaked, one sank, the third had no bottom in it. All 3 got into the one with no bottom. Then they came to a tremendously large forest in which there was a tremendously large tree. In the tree was a tremendously large chapel. In the chapel was a sexton of hornbeam and a parson of boxwood, who were passing out holy water with cudgels. Blessed is he who from this holy water can flee.